All right, so hopefully you guys will be able to hear really what's going on. The video picks up the noise that I'm actually getting. I don't know if this means anything, but the exhaust does have a solid noise. It doesn't have anything off about it. I don't know if that tells you guys anything or not. I thought I used to hear a miss, like a chug almost, every couple revolutions, every couple hundred, 5 seconds apart. I don't know. Well, this is what I'm hearing. Sounds like it's in this area of the motor. That was really loud. Okay, so you saw the check engine light was on. That's because what I've done is I've actually just torn the motor apart because of this noise. I had the manifolds off. I pulled the head to replace the lifters, and I thought that I had collapsed lifters because of how sloppy and that valve sounds. I was doing a lot of research, and it didn't sound like that. It's piston slap or rod knock. Because rod knock sounded like that was something that changes under load. Deceleration, acceleration up a hill. This doesn't change. It only changes with RPMs. It's, to my ear, sounds like it's at half the speed of the revolutions of the crank. That means it's cam related to me. The piston slap is something that comes and goes, I guess. This developed overnight. And so I thought that it was failed lifters because I shut it down. It was running fine, driving 15, 20 minutes, daily driver, coming home, shutting it down is fine. And I come out here and start it up in the morning, and this is what I have. Now, in the past, over winter, I've heard an occasional valve tap, but that, 4.0s are a little noisy like that. It went away over time when it warmed up. This does this no matter the warmth, no matter how long you've had it. I've already been having it running 10 minutes. I thought maybe it was louder because the lifters hadn't pumped up with oil yet. They hadn't pumped all the oil up to the top. But it's been going long enough that it should have gone away at this point. And I don't know. So I did the top end. I kept the same head. I didn't replace the head or machine. I just unbolted it and did my lifters and put it back on. The only thing I changed was lifters. I put new lifters on an old cam. I was looking at the old lifters. The old lifters look fine on the bottoms, not like they were wearing bad. The difference that I saw was the new lifters seemed like they had a spring in them. The old lifters did not. The old lifters just fell to the bottom. I'll show you. That's what the bottom of all the lifters look like. That's just oil. I mean, I guess you can't really tell. Whatever. They look perfectly fine as far as normal wear for 226,000. I mean, I think they're supposed to have a normal kind of bevel to them. Well, these are flat. So whatever. It just hiccuped at me. I don't know. So this is what happened with the old lifter. I thought they're supposed to be pressed up against these retaining springs. The new ones are. These old ones, this was up and then it just fell when I went to pull them out. So that to me was a good sign that they weren't able to stay pumped up, and that I was having that slot in the system. But I got the same problem afterwards, so I don't know. Maybe you guys can help.